and Platinum Racing Products have brought me out here for my 4th year in a row of one of my favorite street car events, the Drag Battle and GTR Challenge. We're here at Cootamundra, Australia, about 3 hours outside of Sydney, and we've got a lot of insane street cars racing on an airport runway that's all asphalt. The surface is pretty bad. These cars have to have pretty much factory interiors, dashes, carpet, and they're all running on a radial. The king of this event is the GTRs, the Skylines. We've got R32s, all of the R35s. This year we're hoping to see the very first 7-second pass in the history of the event. And we've got a couple of cars that are looking to do it. We haven't seen an R35 in the 8s yet, and we haven't seen a 4-cylinder in the 8s yet either. So we're hoping to see that all go down this weekend. Let's go check out some of the cars, get right to the racing. Favorite Skyline's back. Morning.
Right, morning. How are you?
So you drove this from Sydney?
Yep.
How was that?
Sick.
I bet it was fun.
Yeah.
War GTR's back at Cootamundra.
Yeah, see how we go, mate.
You've been busy since last year.
Mm-hmm.
What did you run at the track?
8:59.
Holy crap. And you were just anxious for an 8 when I saw you last year.
Yeah.
Now you're in the 850s?
She did it. Yeah.
Remind me what's under the hood?
3.2 litre Netto stroke kit.
How big a turbo?
7685. So now we're playing around with a bit of nitrous.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a bit of nitrous. Still got the line in the Motec M150. That's about it, man. It's a pretty basic build.
Yeah.
Just a bit of a slap together, you know what I mean?
Basic build running 850s.
Yeah.
I love this car.
Thank you.
It's my favorite Skyline out there.
Still?
Oh yeah.
Nothing's changed?
No. No.
Anyway.
Well, what's your goal this weekend?
I don't know, I'm just going to have fun. If I can dip into the 8s again, that'll be good.
Well, that shouldn't be a problem.
I'm not going to set the bar, I'm just here to have... If I was at the track, I'd tell you my goals, but scooter, man, we just come down and thrash.
That'll be a good weekend.
Let's see if we can crack the 8s again. See if we can have a passenger ride this time.
Oh yeah, you owe me a good ride on this thing.
Yeah, that's it.
I can't wait.
Hopefully it's a good weekend for everybody.
Alright, good luck, man.
Thanks, buddy.
I'll see you out there. MK4 163. You're really holding on to that last side marker, huh? You don't want it to go anywhere?
Was it?
Got it taped down there?
None of this time, mate. Yeah, no.
This is your first run?
Yes.
What do you hope?
I haven't warmed the tyres up or anything, so we're just going to see how it goes. We've taken quite a lot of power out of first, second, so
yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, the surface is going to be tricky regardless, all-wheel drive or not.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
Cool.
There we go, should be good.
Now the second quickest R35.
Yeah, so Lance first up went 9.0 something, and Aaron McGranahan, when you went in it, went 9.00.
So he's 900ths off the quickest R35 time on a shakedown pass.
Yeah, his very first pass, he's pretty much on par with the quickest R35. So I'm expecting Lance's car to be the first R35 to run an 8.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How much is the bounty for 4-cylinder?
3,300, and for 7-second GTR as well.
So $3,300 bounty for the first 4-cylinder car to run an 8 here. Let's see if we can do it. No, that's not gonna do it. Oh no.
That's done.
No. Oh, there's fluid all the way down.
He found a brake pad on the road.
Well, that didn't cause the oil down. But I don't think you want, I think you probably needs that. What else you found? Oh, wow, yeah.
I'm just going to go make sure that this is
That's the sump.
Plug?
Yeah, the plug for the sump.
Sump, bearing cap. This was the handful that I picked up. The other boys all had handfuls as well.
Oh man.
You know what, this is perfect saying when he said, send it.
Yeah.
He sent it.
Oh my god.
Shane, why are you not filming
Somebody's thirsty. Take your drink. There's never been a 7-second pass by any car on this track. Let's see if Jun can do it. What you go? 8.6 170. You did it! Hell yeah! 8.8?
Yeah, 8.8.
175?
75, yeah.
Woo! Let's see
Oh,
it.
look at the 60 foot.
What
Oh,
was it?
1.6.
1.6?
Yeah,
That's about where it should be on the
Yeah,
surface.
not too bad. It was, I don't know if you saw it, but it was wheel spinning quite.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, we put more power back in. I said, Darren, put more power back in, and he goes, okay, how much you put in? So I need a little bit more. And he goes, no, you won't need it. He's right. Yeah, he knows what he's doing.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, no, it's good. I think we can improve on that though.
So first R35 and the 8's a Cootamundra.
Yeah.
That's a big number.
Yeah, no, I'm loving it, man. It's moving down the end. Like it's fast. It's going.
What do you think it's going to run today? Or this weekend? What do you think?
I don't know if we can get to 850. Yeah.
That'd be amazing.
No, I think we will.
It's got the power for it.
Yeah, no, it's got the
It's
power.
got to figure out the launch.
No, I just got to figure out the launch, and I think we'll be good.
Oh,
But
yeah.
I'm loving it.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Great. Still going straight. The Subi's back.
Subi's back.
How's it going?
Good, mate. How are
Good
you?
to see you.
Yeah.
How's the car running?
Oh, so far so good.
What's best time been in the car?
9.0.
9.0, okay.
148. Yeah.
You changed much since
Yeah, so we've got,
last time I saw you?
bigger turbo, 76, 75.
Really?
And it's on
What was it before?
68, 70. And it's on about 42 pounds.
What's the motor you're running here?
It's a EJ25 D-stroke to 2.3 litre.
Okay, so it's smaller displacement.
Yeah, revs to about 10,000.
10,000?
Yeah.
That's gotta be fun.
Yeah.
What transmission are you running here?
4018. Automatic
So it's a-
Subaru automatic gearbox.
Have you ever dynoed this car?
Yeah. It only makes about 450 kilowatt at the wheels with the automatic.
So is it like a little over 600 horsepower?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Well, there's a few cars we'll be watching for that 8-second this weekend.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully we can get this thing dialed in quickly. It'll be fun to watch it, man.
Try to.
All right. Well, good luck.
Thanks, mate.
Not gonna get a time. Hi.
The colours.
This doesn't sound like an RB.
It's not.
What's under the hood?
BARRA.
Oh, really?
Yeah, something different.
Interesting. So is it rear wheel?
Yeah, just real drive.
That color looks real nice. You said it's from an Audi?
No, BMW M5.
Oh, BMW. Okay. Oh, it's on the valve cover too. Oh wow, that fits in there really nicely.
It's a bit snug, but
Yeah. How much power is it put down?
975, but then we've just 975 horse on low boost, but then we actually just turned it down to try and get a bit of more drivability out of it. It's just such a short rev range. Like it makes that at 6.4 or something. So
Really?
trying to it just comes on lightning fast.
Interesting.
So we've taking it down to about 20 pounds, so probably making, I don't know, 8 something. Now.
You wouldn't be able to use 975 at Cootamundra anyway. It's slippery for a two-wheel drive car.
Yeah.
Well, it's a wild project.
Thanks, man.
It'll be fun to see you on. Good luck this weekend, man. All right, so for all you Americans out there, the BARRA motor is from a Ford here in Australia, which is really strange to see in a car like this. And I mean, it's kind of fitting if you think this is a Supra engine at first, because it comes in an import anyway. But that's pretty wild. I like unique stuff. It sucks that it's not all-wheel, but I mean, that's kind of half the reason these cars are badass. But super unique. Would you like some traction? Me to hop in with you?
Yeah, if you want.
All right. We're in the BARRA 32, first ride along of the weekend. What's your best so far?
11.2.
11.2. All right, we're gonna run a 10 this time.
Huh?
Is it not going in gear?
Yeah, locked out of fifth.
I got you. Wow, that looked like fun. Mind if I hop in?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Hop in the back?
Yeah.
Looked up pretty good.
What are you doing?
Hey.
Hi.
That was definitely the first time riding in the back seat of a car going on a drag strip. That was fun. That was really awkward, actually. I'm like sitting here talking to you from the back seat. Well, it was a great day of racing here for the first day at Cootamundra, and we saw a few records go down. The R35 first 8-second pass, 8.8 and 8.7 by Lance. We saw the Supra record go down at a 9.9. And a few other awesome passes. We were down on a lane after the Evo blew up. There's oil all the way down the track. So they're gonna start cleaning it up right now. And hopefully we'll see a lot of badass side-by-side racing tomorrow. We'll see you then. One of the reasons I love this event is because of these sketchy surfaces all these cars have to race on. Some of these cars run as quick as 690 and they're racing on an asphalt airport runway. Literally no prep other than the tires that have gone down here, so you're not going to hear any stickiness. That's what they're working with. So all these cars are at least a second slower than their drag strip times usually. Short shifted on that one. Got a little scared. We've got a new player in the mix.
Yeah.
You just casually show up on the second day, run a 9.9 spinning the whole way. Tell me about the car. What are you running in here?
It's got a RB30 26, 3.2 litre. It's got a big Garrett turbine, GT55.
Oh yeah, nice big.
We haven't been running the car for long. I've run a 7.4 at Eastern Creek in it. And,
No way.
This mile it's done is 192 so far.
192?
Yeah.
Any idea how much power it's making?
This, yeah. We rolled it up to 1600 horsepower and we left it at that.
Yeah.
The engine has made 21.
Jesus. So 7.4, are you hopeful of a 6 eventually?
That's what we're pushing for, yeah. We've had a few little issues with just getting the setup right of the car. Now, we think we're there, we're just ready to take it back out.
I know you're chasing that 7.
Yeah, we're going to try. I've never, like the last time I raced here was a 10.2 in a Subaru.
Oh yeah. And they resurfaced it last year, so it's a whole different game.
Yeah, there's just a mad bump when you take off. That's what unsettled the car.
Oh yeah. Maybe line up a little different this time,
Yeah.
or other lane.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Hopefully we'll see a mid-8, low-8 this next pass.
Yeah, hopefully.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You put one on the windshield? Huh? Put one on the windshield?
So we meet again. Time for a proper ride along in more GTR.
That's it.
I can't wait. Let's do it.
Holy
Wow. You were working for that one. You were everywhere. Did not lift.
Nah, never.
That was great.
Never lift.
Holy sh. I'm like, he's gonna lift. He's gonna lift. No.
Never lift, mate. Never lift.
It's not gonna be a good ET, but those are the most fun runs.
Yeah, that's it. I love that. I love it when it steps out like that.
Now for my favorite part here at Cootamundra, this is Drag Battle. And for a GTR challenge, there's a bunch of different categories for quickest, fastest, whatever. But here's where they pair up the cars side-by-side racing, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and GTR classes. Let's do it.
Audi had a huge jump on the end.
Oh, he flew past him. I think that was the all-wheel drive final, but nobody knows.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, it was. Hey, it was the final. And so the Evo does a flyby on the Audi right at the end to take home the win in all-wheel drive. We still have rear-wheel drive and GTR final coming up. How close was that? Was that right at the end?
Yeah.
Good race, man. That was badass. Congrats on the win. I think that means we only have MR2s left in the rear-wheel drive class. So they're going to race each other in the final. One hell of a weekend for the black MR2. He runs an 8.8 on asphalt, first 8 in a 4-cylinder car and rear-wheel drive, and wins Drag Battle for rear-wheel drive. That's awesome. One hell of a car. One of my favorites out here this weekend. One hell of a weekend for you.
Yeah, man.
First 8, new personal best, and you won Drag Battle.
Yeah, that's it. Bring on the finals.
And it looked good the whole time doing it.
Thank you, mate.
Hell of a performance. Congrats, man.
Legend. Thanks, Carl.
And that is a wrap from Cootamundra, Australia. Big thank you to Motive DVD and Platinum Racing Products for bringing me out here. Our trip is not done yet. We're heading to Melbourne next weekend for Modified Live. We're gonna go have a meet out at one of the shops there and see what else we can get into. Might find some stuff in Sydney. Who knows? Keep an eye on our channel. We'll be bringing you plenty more videos from Australia. See you next time.